Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time I will be showing you how to use the camera as a magnifying glass. Okay, so this is very useful whether you're trying to read a menu in, let's say, a dark restaurant, the warning label on your medicine, or the fine print on a contract you possibly should not be signing. A magnifying glass can come in very handy. I'd say especially one with a light, it's even better. And this one has a light, guys. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to turn it on and how it works. Okay, so just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says accessibility. Select visibility enhancements, and then scroll down to where it says magnifier, and then just turn it on and then select it. And from here you can select actions you can use to start using magnifier directly. So tap accessibility button, so just tap it, and then if you select the little settings icon there, select actions and just make sure that magnifier is on. So you can either have this little guy down here at the bottom to open up the magnifier, or you can select to have a floating over apps button. So you could have this button to open up the magnifier, and this button would be on the home screen, as you can see. So once you press it, it would launch the magnifier. So as you can see, the magnifier is now open. But like I says, if you don't want that, you can just have it as the little guy on the navigation bar. Or you could select press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds, and it would bring up the magnifier if you don't want the floating button or the little guy. So right now everything is set, so I'm just going to demonstrate how it works real quick. So I've got the Bible here, and as you can see, the text is really small. So depending on your age, you might really struggle to read this. However, if I launch the magnifier and open it up, I could just use the little slider here and slide it all the way up. And as you can see, the text is a lot bigger now. It's much easier to read. And this isn't the real camera layout. As you can see, the camera layout is different. So it has the flashlight, and it also has some settings here where you can adjust the contrast. And we've got 2 sliders there as well that you can adjust. But yeah, this is really handy, I would say, if you have problems reading small text. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Is it something you'll be using? Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. And it's your boy the Android Doctor. I will see you in the next one. I'm out, guys. Deuces.